हेलो हेलो।
हाँ जी,
अब आ रही है?
हाँ मॉर्निंग सर, अब आ रही है सर आवाज?
हाँ बिल्कुल क्लियर आ रही है सब। अब आप थोड़ा सा अपने आप को एडजस्ट कर लीजिए ताकि हम आपको अच्छी तरह देख पाए। हाँ, अब ये हुई ना बात, वेरी नाइस। और थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कीजिए सर।
वो करें।
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी, अब ठीक है।
मॉर्निंग सर, दिस
Good
आई
morning.
एम पंकज राय सर, डिप्टी कमिश्नर लाहौल एंड स्पीति सर। मेरे साथ along with me is SP लाहौल एंड स्पीति मिस्टर मानव वर्मा सर।
जी,
So should I start the presentation sir?
या प्लीज।
रूम में जाइए जो जिसमें है वो।
आप तो बहुत टफ एरिया में रहते हैं साहब।
हाँ यस सर।
अरे नहीं यार, उससे शेयर करो।
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड
कंट्रोल
करें।
एफ से, कंट्रोल एफ से, कंट्रोल एफ ना सर, क्लिक करिए पहले उस पर, अप कर सर। लेट अस नो इफ यू कैन सी द स्क्रीन सर।
हाँ जी, दिखाई दे रहा है। ये सर
ठीक है
स्टार्ट कीजिए। हाँ
सर, एक्चुअली में द लाहौल डिस्ट्रिक्ट इज one of the district of Himachal Pradesh and it is in the northern part of the state sir. Next slide. सर मैं आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाहौल के बारे में थोड़ी सी ज्योग्राफी के बारे में बताना चाहूंगा सर। इट इज एन एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ मोर देन 10,000 फीट सर, और एवरेज मिनिमम टेम्परेचर इज -10 to -30 डिग्री, और it is called a cold mountain desert sir. Snowfall ranges between 4 feet to 10 feet, but this year we have a less snowfall sir as compared to the general snowfall sir. Lahaul Spiti used to remain cut off with the rest of the country for 6 to 8 months sir, but with the opening of Atal Tunnel by Honorable Prime Minister on 3rd October, we have connectivity almost throughout the year sir now. Sir, I joined this district on 21st of October 2020 sir, and I remained here in 2001 also sir as SDM Kelong. तो सर मैंने जब यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया तो why this snow festival is happening for the first time? In fact sir, there are number of festivities sir which used to happen across the valley sir. It is happening since centuries sir. So the festival was started unofficially, or maybe you can say sir, as it was happening in previous years on 14th of January 2021 sir. We have a state level function because Himachal Pradesh came into existence in 1971, and we have 50 years of celebration which started from 25th of January 2021. So we started this festival officially on 25th of January sir, but actually it started from 15th January in the various villages of the valley sir. Next sir, why this snow festival? I have already explained sir. पूरा दिखा देगा आप slide को ना sir. In Lahaul sir, there are a number of festivities which used to happen since centuries sir. There are a number of valleys. Predominantly there are 4 main valleys sir, and these functions and festivals used to happen over the years sir. So on account of snowfall, people used to move out of this valley sir. The population of Lahaul and Spiti district is about 40,000, and about 30 to 40% people used to shift during the winters because of health facilities, education, and they have second home at Kullu sir, the neighboring district of the state. Sir, basically these local traditions were generally being seen to be extinct and lost in the current scenario sir. So after opening of tunnel, we thought that there are number of opportunities and challenges to the Laholi people as well as to the district administration. So there is a great winter potential in Lahaul sir, because the neighboring district is Kullu, and Manali is the main tourist attraction for the tourists sir. And in Manali there is a very less amount of snowfall as compared to Lahaul. So there are a number of winter activities, sports activities in around Manali sir. So we thought that we should cash on the winter activities sir. There are a number of challenges sir. We will start with the as you already know sir, there is a geographical and weather conditions, very harsh weather conditions. Currently the temperature at night is -12 to 15, sometimes it go to -20. There is no unavailability of documentation sir, because festival used to happen, festival used to take place, but we have no written documentation. there was no unifying theme, sir, because the festival are happening in different valleys. And one valley was not knowing what is happening in another valley because of there was no road connectivity, and the people used to come through Rotang top, which used to clear in April or May. From November to May, it used to remain closed. So internal valley will also remain closed. There was no pressure on the district administration or maybe PWD department or the BRO to open the roads. With the opening of tunnel, there is a huge pressure on the BRO as well as district administration to clear the valleys. So we have got a good opportunity to interact with the within the valley, sir, across different valleys, sir. There were no funds because it is happening for the first time, sir. There was no fund, there was no infrastructure available with us, with district administration to bank upon the earlier precedent, sir, because there was no precedent. There was infrastructure challenges, sir. There are no wayside amenities, there were no toilets, and because it was hardly any tourism in winter, sir. So in summer there was a tourism, but people used to move to the Leh. They don't want to stay in Lahore because infrastructure constraints were there. There were no homestays, there were no hotels, there were no restaurants, and the bed capacity was around 3,000. Next. So, sir, we thought that it is a good opportunity after opening of tunnel that we should do something so that the people should be prepared for the for tourism for the entire year, because in summer there was some kind of tourism activities in the valley. And there are about 3,000 capacity of homestays and restaurants, and you can say hotels, government hotels, private hotels. But after this opening of tunnel, there is a huge pressure, sir. Initially, now we are expecting in summer that we will be expecting around 8 to 10,000 vehicles per day after opening of tunnel. So, sir, we thought that we should work something differently so that people should be prepared for the future. So I had number of stakeholder meetings, sir, with different officers, retired officers, and public representatives, self-help groups, Yuvak Mandal, Mahila Mandals, number of meetings, sir, with press people. Then we mobilized the community, sir. Actually, Lahaul Spiti has around 45 panchayats, sir. So meetings were held at the cutting edge level, sir. BDO and other CDPO, these field level officers, they met the local representatives and take their opinion and views. And then the festival was designed accordingly, sir. And we prepared a calendar because festival used to happen. I already told you, sir, there are a number of festivals in different valleys named Gochi, Halda, Yor, different kind of festivals used to happen, sir. So we made a design that how we should go about it, because these festivals started from 14th or 13th of January every year, and they culminate in the last week of March, 28th and 29th March. Sir. That is the last traditional function which used to happen. So we designed a calendar with the involvement of the local people. We involved maximum local people, sir, Pradhan, Up-Pradhan, Mahila Mandal, Yuvak Mandal, and there was no fund available with the district administration. So it is basically a crowd funded kind of a thing, sir. All these funding is done by the Mahila Mandal, Yuvak Mandal, Panchayat Pradhan, local representative. Even the prizes are given by the local people, sir. If some function is happening, administration is not giving any kind of prizes, sir. We are simply facilitating, sir. Some people are giving 500, 1,000, 200, even 100 rupees, sir. So basic purpose was to create infrastructure developments and to prepare the people of the Lahaul and Spiti Valley who remain cut off for centuries with the outside world, sir. Next. So basically the festival vision was to have benefit to every individual, sir. Maybe Yuvak Mandal, Mahila Mandal, irrespective of any caste, creed, high class, low class, everybody was given participation, sir. We are looking for, sir, green and eco-sustainable tourism. We are not going for big hotels, sir. We are looking for homestays. People have already good houses in Lahaul and Spiti, and we are creating these houses. We are getting part of these houses into homestays, sir. Himachal government has a homestay scheme, sir. There are a number of benefits which are provided to the persons who work under homestay, sir. And I already spoken, sir, winter sports. We are looking for great winter sports in years to come. We are involving director mountaineering, even our Bardi chief secretary and principal secretary TD, who is around here. They have visited and given some direction that in next year we should do it in a better way, because this is the first time it is happening, sir. We are also promoting and scouting the youth talent and culture, sir. I will explain in the next slide. Basically, sir, the concept of this festival was threefold, sir. Number one, we want to train and educate the youth and Mahila Mandals of this valley, because Mahila Mandal is very proactive. And the second purpose was to prepare them for the winter as well as the summer tourism, sir. Second purpose was the Lahaul Spiti has a very rich heritage and culture, sir, which was going extinct, sir. So we are planning to preserve, protect, and conserve that culture, sir. Next. So the festival is happening on every day, sir. It has started from 14th January and it will culminate on 29th March. It is happening every day, sir. Some kind of activities happening in different parts of the valley, sir. Like cultural events are happening, sports events are happening, like archery and other traditional cholo. There is a very popular game cholo in Lahaul and Spiti. Food festival is happening. People are preparing ethnic cuisine, sir, which is being provided to the tourists as well as to the officers and other local residents, sir. We are holding workshops. Sir, as already submitted, there is a capacity of around 3,000 people for stay in Lahaul Spiti. So homestay scheme is being promoted, sir. Till in the last 10 years, there were only 71 homestays registered in Lahaul and Spiti. And currently, sir, we have done single window clearance, and around 450 homestays have been registered in the last couple of days, sir. There are various religious events, sir, which were happening and going extinct, sir. There was a Sang Jatar which started after 90 years, sir, in one particular panchayat. There were traditional folk songs, folk dances which were going extinct. They are re-emerging, sir, now. We are doing exhibitions, sir. We are portraying different kind of artifacts which were around 102 years back, which are being brought in the public domain to understand how the people were working at that point of time and how these people were staying at that point of time. Basically, sir, our basic the claim of Lahaul and Spiti for this prestigious Scotch award is on three important aspects, sir. It is a zero busting project, sir. This festival is zero busting, almost zero busting from administration side, sir. We are not giving any kind of funds to the Mahila Mandals, Yuvak Mandals, self-help groups. It is a people movement, sir, actually. If one panchayat is doing a function, the other panchayat is trying to do best than the previous function, sir. Community participation is the highlight of this function, sir. Mahila Mandal, Yuvak Mandal, I already spoken, sir. We are working on single window clearance to facilitate the people to register them under homestays. There is a one important scheme, Swablamban scheme, Mukhyamantri Swablamban scheme. We are asking requesting the youth and promoting them to come under Swablamban, because a loan is given up to 60 lakhs, sir, for various kind of activities. Now, sir, how we should, it should not be a government oriented function, sir. We have created a society, Lahaul Environment, Culture and Ecotourism Society, so that it should be institutionalized. Today I'm here, SP is here, another officers are here. Maybe next year the officers may not be interested for this function. So we have institutionalized it. We are creating a society, and in this society there will be a governing body and general body. In governing body there will be all government officers headed by deputy commissioner and the all PRIs. And in general bodies we will include every member, every Yuvak Mandal, Mahila Mandal, retired officers, retired government officers, officials in this particular society, sir, so that it carry on in the same vigor, sir. What is the impact, sir, with this function, with the starting of this snow festival, which is one of the longest in the country, probably 75 days, the homestays and the tourism, we are preparing that tourism, homestays, they should be promoted, because I already spoken in winter there was hardly any tourism. In next year we are planning that tourists should be brought to every village. We will issue a calendar in the month of December, and it will be in the public domain, so that anybody coming to Kullu Manali, he should know what function is happening in which panchayat on what particular day. So we are planning that if there is a heavy snow, we will take people to the north portal. There are two portals of the Atal Tunnel, sir. and it is one of the longest in the country. This is a north portal towards the Lal side and the south portal towards the Kullu side, sir. So we will bring people towards the north portal, and from there we are planning that we will ride with pride vehicle with local youth, and people will be taken through gypsies to the different villages, so that they can, so that the world can see the rich heritage, culture, artifacts of this particular valley, sir. So gender equity, sir, Mahila Mandal are at the forefront. They are well trained, sir. Actually, they are being trained. They are organizing festival. They are holding stages. They are participating in cuisine activities. We are doing knitting competition, tug of war, various kinds of games are happening in every village, sir. So we are working on quality tourism rather than quantity tourism. So we are not going for hotels, big hotels and restaurants. We are going for small things which are already in the valley, because it is a very serene valley, sir. It remained unexplored for years together. So we want to keep that spirit, sir. Next is, sir, opportunity in winter, sir. I've already explained, sir. There are a lot of opportunities in winter tourism. We are going for skiing, ice hockey, ice climbing, skating, so on and so forth, sir. So, next. This slide is more or less has been explained, sir. We are simply documenting.
Conclude कर सकते हैं क्योंकि time अपना हो गया है.
Sir, this is the number speak, sir. This is the area of the Lahaul and Spiti. We have around 450 homestays. This is the population of Lahaul. It is continuing for 75 days, zero budget, sir. Next. Sir, these are some of the photographs, sir, glimpse of the festival. People, the ladies participating in the left, you can see in knitting competition. On the left side down, sir, the minister, they are sitting on the snow. The table is of snow, sir, and the furniture all is snow furniture, sir. Next. So these are the pictures of the festival, sir, which are happening in various parts of the next. This is archery, sir. A girl is trying hand on archery, sir. This is igloo created by local youth, sir. Next. This is the girl in the traditional attire, sir. These are the food articles. Next, chalo. Sir, to conclude, I will say only three things. We are looking for adventure and culture tourism in future, sir, like Snow Cafe, and we are working on skill development. We are also holding a workshop in the last week of March for homestay, so that the tourists should have a comfortable stay. And we are also looking for road connectivity, wayside amenities in time to come. Next. Scouting of local talent, we are working, sir. We are also working on digital governance, e-flight, ITMS, vehicle management system, e-vending, and e-agman. Basically, sir, I've already told, sir, that we are creating a society so that they should take over the festival in times to come, sir. Sir, there is a lot of international, national media coverage.
Right, sir, right. Okay, that we can understand, yes.
Thank you. Sir, any questions? And
Very nice, Pankaj ji, बहुत बढ़िया आप काम कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, because this is of own kind, you know. Sir. Because you're not aware that these sort of things are happening there in the Lahaul and Spiti. Because generally we find that many other areas, these sort of adventure sports are there, festivals are there, but particularly not in Lahaul Spiti. We were not aware that it's nice that you have brought it to the table so that many people will know about it. So you are just, I would be curious to understand that you told about the crowdfunding. So what sort of total expenses are involved into that? I know that you say zero funding from the DC side. So how that crowdfunding is happening and how much is the collection?
Sir, actually, crowdfunding is in a way. Sir, I will give you one example for a particular day. Day before yesterday, sir, we were in Jobrang Panchayat, and it is considered a valley of Jogni, sir, local deities. So our principal secretary TD was there. So, sir, basically what people did, they offered their grounds to the festival. Number one. Number two, sir, they collected money at their level, महिला मंडल लेवल, युवक मंडल लेवल।
नहीं, जैसे आप बता रहे हैं पंकज जी, जैसे आपने बताया कि आपके करीब 45 पंचायत है,
हाँ जी सर।
ठीक है ना, तो
हाँ जी सर।
हर पंचायत वाला कितना कुछ कलेक्ट करता है, थोड़ा सा एक आइडिया मिले ना कि हमें
सर,
पता लगे कि भाई किस टाइप का काम हो रहा है।
सर कम से कम अगर आप देखेंगे एक दिन का फंक्शन होगा 1 to 1.5 लाख के आसपास फंक्शन है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द फंक्शन कितना लेवल का है, मिनिमम।
ठीक है, तो उस फंक्शन को क्राउड फंडिंग तो हो गया, उस फंक्शन को सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग बनाने के लिए क्या किया जा रहा है, कितनी इनकम हो रही है उससे?
सर इसमें इसको सस्टेनेबल इसलिए बनाया जाएगा, अभी तो हम लोगों को ट्रेंड किया और लोगों को बताया कि आप इस तरह का फंक्शन करिए
तो
ताकि
लोग इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब पहले अभी इनकम नहीं है?
नहीं सर, अभी कोई इनकम नहीं है सर, इट इज फ्री। पर नेक्स्ट ईयर क्या होगा सर, जब हम टूरिस्ट को लाएंगे तो वो फूड की पेमेंट भी लेंगे, स्नो क्राफ्ट के लिए भी पेमेंट लेंगे, लोगों की गाड़ियां।
पंकज जी ये बताएं कि आपने कहा कि 40,000 लोगों को आपने जोड़ा है
सर,
39,000 कुछ लोग बता रहे थे ना आप कुछ
सर,
तो ये 40,000 लोग, ये सारे पंचायत से लोग जुड़े हैं जो कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन करवाया आपने?
हाँ सर, सारी पंचायतों के अक्रॉस द ऑल पंचायत सर।
अच्छा जी। अच्छा, जैसे आपने बताया कि जैसे मान लीजिए मनाली में काफी गेम्स होते हैं
सर,
और हिमाचल में काफी जगह काफी गेम्स होते हैं। विंटर गेम्स में जैसे आपने आइस हॉकी का बताया, आपने बाकी स्केटिंग का बताया, काफी कुछ बताया, तो लोगों का रेस्पॉन्स कैसा है? जैसे सबसे बड़ी बात है कि आपने खुद बताया कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आप क्रिएट करेंगे, जो कि आप कर रहे हैं, पर्टिकुलरली लोगों को एक अच्छा रहने के लिए, अच्छा खाने के लिए मिले। तो जैसे आपने 450 होम स्टे की तो बात की है, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड आई थिंक यू वुड बी नीडिंग मच मोर देन दैट, गुड होटल आल्सो। तो उस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में तो कम से कम जब तक लोगों का पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं होगा बाहर से और गवर्नमेंट का सपोर्ट नहीं होगा, तब तक तो लोग कोई आएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि आप बता रहे हैं कि एक्सट्रीम वेदर है, -15 से -30 तक आप बता रहे हैं जा रहा है मिनिमम जितना भी टेम्परेचर है, तो उसको कैसे आप करने की सोच रहे हैं?
सर इसमें ऐसा है कि लाहौल जो लाहौल है सर, टनल खुलने के बाद मनाली से इसका डिस्टेंस जो है सर अराउंड 76 किलोमीटर है, और 76 किलोमीटर मींस अराउंड 2 आवर जर्नी है सर, 2 आवर्स की जर्नी है। तो जो लोकल यूथ है सर वो इतने क्रेजी हैं आज की डेट में भी कि दे वांट टू गो टू एवरी विलेज। तो हम जो प्लान, मैंने जैसे आपको बीच में बताया था सर, अगर ज्यादा स्नोफॉल होगा तो हम एक सिसु विलेज है सर, जो हमारा मेन विलेज है, गेटवे ऑफ लाहौल, काफी बड़ा विलेज है सर, बहुत ही सुंदर पिक्चर्स व्यू है वहां पे, वहां तक हम टूरिस्ट को इस बार भी लाए हैं सर, हम इस बार भी वहां तक लाए हैं। लेकिन नेक्स्ट ईयर हम प्लान कर रहे हैं कि इसको हमारे एक वैली में ले जाएंगे, और यहाँ 4x4 व्हीकल सर चलता है, आज भी स्नोफॉल हो रहा है सर, लेकिन मैं भी एक ऊपर अभी एक फंक्शन को अटेंड करने जा रहा हूँ यहाँ से 40-50 किलोमीटर टुवर्ड्स ले सर, वहां पे फंक्शन है, तो 4x4 व्हीकल चलेगा सर, तो हम टूरिस्ट को उससे लाएंगे। और जहां तक सर आपने बिल्कुल पर्टिनेंट बात बोली कि अभी करंटली हमारे पास 3,000 लोगों की स्टे की कैपेसिटी है, और मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूं सर कि समर तक हम 8 से 9,000 लोगों का होम स्टे क्रिएट करेंगे। और फ्यूचर में सर यहाँ पे समर में कैंपिंग बहुत अच्छी होती है सर, लोग कैंप्स लगाते हैं, तो समर में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है सर, विंटर में लोग इतने ही आएंगे।
पंकज जी सबसे बड़ी बात अभी है कि एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज की सप्लाई का कैसे करेंगे ताकि अनइंटरप्टेड सप्लाई मिले। होम स्टे हो गया, होम स्टे में लोगों को खाने के लिए भी चाहिए, जैसे कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग कर रहे हैं, तो धीरे धीरे उसके लिए कैसे आप विचार कर रहे हैं जैसे जैसे टूरिस्ट बढ़ेगा?
सर होम यहाँ पे एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज का सर पहले बहुत बड़ा इशू रहता था, जब 6 महीने लाहौल पूरी दुनिया से कट जाता था, सिर्फ हेलीकॉप्टर यूज होता था।
तो अभी तो टनल होने से
कोई फर्क नहीं सर, अब हमने एक भी दिन हेलीकॉप्टर यूज नहीं किया सर, अभी एक भी सॉर्टी नहीं हुई है सर। तो हमने जो हम फिर भी हमने सर एज ए प्रिकॉशन, एज ए कॉशन सर, हमने सारा मटेरियल जो है वो जैसे मैंने ज्वाइन किया था तो मैंने दिसंबर से पहले सारा फूड स्टॉक यहाँ ले लिया था सर, तो ऐसी कोई इशू नहीं रहने वाला सर।
ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब हम वहां पे विजिट करेंगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी आपका?
सर एनी टाइम सर, इट इज कंटिन्यूइंग सर, पीपल मतलब कि इतने लोग आ रहे हैं, मेरे सारे सेक्रेटरीज आ रहे हैं, सारे टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं सर, क्योंकि नई चीज हुआ है सर लाहौल में ना सर। और मैं समझता हूं कि सर अटल टनल खुलने के बाद जब ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने इसको खोला था, इससे बड़ी सेलिब्रेशन हो ही नहीं सकती थी सर।
तो ये मार्च में कब तक रहेगा आपका खुला?
29 मार्च तक रहेगा सर ये फेस्टिवल।
29 मार्च तक, चलो ठीक है।
yes.
आप अपना नंबर मुझे दीजिएगा, हम जरूर आपके पास आएंगे। आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, और ये यूनिकनेस है आपके प्रोजेक्ट की, विच इज रियली यूनिक, एंड आई एम श्योर इससे ना कई चीजें इसके साथ होगी पंकज जी। एक तो क्या हुआ कि लोकल एरिया डेवलपमेंट होगा, नंबर 2 इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएशन होगा, नंबर 3 जॉब क्रिएशन होगा, और उसके बाद लोगों में डिफरेंट कल्चर को जानने की उत्सुकता बढ़ेगी और वो लोग वहाँ पे आके इसको देखेंगे। मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ कि आपने बड़ा अच्छा काम किया पंकज जी, इस फैंटास्टिक प्रोजेक्ट। कीप इट अप एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू सर। मेरा नंबर सर मैं आपको बोल